So I have already created my background layer. So I use this color here. The HTML notation is 000 D38. Press OK. Select the text tool. So I'm going to use the same color as my background here, which is the foreground, this one here with the background. So here it is. And now left click, type your letter. And now select the move tool. I'm going to place it here. And now go to filters, light and shadow, and then select long shadow. So left click on the color here. I'm going to change the color to this yellow here. The HTML notation is FFD800. Press OK. For the angle, I'm going to change it. I'm going to place it here to minus 150. And for the length, I'm going to decrease it to around 10. So I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. And now go to filter, map, and then select recursive transform. Make sure to check the paste below. And now if you hover your cursor in the middle here, you will be able to use the move tool and now just move. So here like this, it will create copies. So here the iterations is 3. So I'm going to create 3 copies. If you increase, it will increase the copies. So for me, I will leave it to 3 or 4. The first iteration, I'm going to leave it to 0. So I'm going to leave it here like this. And now press OK. And now since it is a text layer, select the text tool. Left click, Control A to select all text. And now I can change, for example, the text. So here it is. I can change the size or the font. So make sure to select the text to highlight all the text. And now change the font. So I'm going to change it back to Verdana bold. You can also, for example, just type a word. So select the move tool. So I'm going to select the text tool, left click, Control A. So I'm going to leave it with the letter A. And then here I'm going to change the font size to 700. Select the move tool. I'm going to place it here. I'm going to duplicate this layer, click on this icon. So as you can see, we're on the move tool. I'm going to move it here and then select the text tool and now left click. You can also, for example, change the color. So I'm just going to left click here on the color. So if I select the white color, press OK. So here it is, it changed it to white. I'm going to bring it back to our blue color. I'm going to change the letter to N. And now if you want to change the color of these stripes here, I'm just going to select the layer here, the N layer, go to colors, hue and saturation. And now make sure to target the color of the stripes. So for this one here, it's yellow, left click. And now I can change it any color. So here like this, I'm going to leave it here. And now press OK.